Welcome to MS Auto Review, where we decode tomorrow's machines today. Buckle up. We're diving into the 2026 Cadillac Lyriq-V Concept, an SUV that's equal parts velvet glove and lightning fist. The Lyriq-V's exterior screams quiet storm. A black crystal grille pulses like a neon heartbeat, flanked by blade-thin LED headlights that carve through darkness. Carbon fiber flares wrap staggered 23-inch wheels, while a retractable spoiler and flush door handles slice drag to 0.26, sleeker than a Tesla Model X. This isn't just design, it's aerodynamic warfare. Inside, the cabin is a tech temple. A 36-inch curved OLED dash flows into augmented reality projections on the windshield. Sustainable opulence? Try 3D printed Alcantara seats with lumbar massage and trim forged from upcycled ocean plastics. Rear passengers lounge in 42 inches of legroom, and the 28 cubic foot trunk devours gear like a black hole. Under the floor lies Cadillac's Ultium V powertrain. Dual motors unleash 650 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque, rocket launching this 5,500-pound beast to 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds. Quicker than a Porsche Macan Turbo EV, the 120 kilowatt-hour battery nets 350 miles of range, and with 350 kilowatt charging, 15 minutes adds 200 miles. Toggle track mode and torque vectoring turns highways into your personal Autobahn, priced at $105,000 THELYRIQ VUNDERCUTST HE 120K BMW iX-M60, but still stings. With 20,000 pre-orders already locked, per GM authority, it's clear Cadillac's targeting Tesla's throne. Lease it for $1,299 a month, but act fast. This isn't for the indecisive. So is the Lyriq-V the electric SUV of your dreams? If you crave brutal speed wrapped in eco-conscious luxury, absolutely. Smash that subscribe button to fuel your obsession. MS Auto Review lives for your hot takes. Drop a comment. Would you pick this over a Lucid Gravity? Hit like if Cadillac just rewired the future. Stay charged, stay ruthless.